Thank you very much for such a nice introduction. Before I start with the three presentations and one special lecture on this issue, very relevant issue that we are discussing today, I want to share two things. Most of the things we do without knowing what for we are doing and what can be the outcome. We are all talking, Mr. Henry is talking about the various education institutions, particularly the engineering colleges having been closed. Did we evaluate what is our need? But out of greed, we created so many engineering colleges, and that greed cannot sustain for long, and that is why we have to close down. So much resources, energy, efforts have been wasted, unproductive we have created, and then where we are, that we can know. And also, since morning we are talking about innovation, business, and so many things. I just want to again share one thing here. Basically, we first, all of us need to know what is urgent and important. That we need to do. But what generally majority of the people do is, they do not firstly try to know what is urgent to do a particular thing and what is important. There are things which may be urgent and important. There may be things which may be important but not urgent. There may be things which are urgent may not be important. There may be things which are neither urgent or not important. And if we start with the last, that things which are neither urgent to do something nor important, and we do those things first, then most of the energies, efforts, resources, they are channelized. And then we are not left with much energy, much resources to complete the process, complete the project. So what my humble suggestion to the youngsters here is, first of all, try to know what are the various requirements to do the job, the thing that you want to do, and out of those, because the resources are scarce resources must be properly utilized, appropriately utilized. So try to know the things which are most urgent and the most important, and concentrate firstly on the things which are urgent as well as important. The second investment of the resources should be the things which are urgent, because they may not be important but they are urgent, you need to do that. And the third should be to the things which are important, may not be urgent. And the last thing, but here I would like to make a suggestion also. Most of the students would study only during the examination days. Whole of the semester, maybe we will be spending on gossiping and all this. But we need, because we are being sent to the university and colleges by the parents and the society, and because of our own also, that we need to study, we need to give more concentration, more efforts, more energy, more efforts, more time we should consume for what the things are urgent as well as important. Because after you have studied, after you have done MBA or anything, after 4 semesters, the professor will not be there to do